Transform your life in 180 days. Daily habits that actually work. The decision that changes everything. Your life can change in 180 days. Not by luck, not by waiting, but by daily habits. Most people want change. Few people choose change. Wanting is easy. Choosing is hard. This book is for beginners. You do not need talent. You do not need money. You do not need confidence. You only need a decision, a quiet decision, a serious decision, a decision you keep every day. 6 months from now, you will be different, or you will be the same. Time will pass anyway. The question is how you use it. This is not magic. This is not motivation only. This is a system, a human system, a daily system. Small actions, done every day, create big change. Think of a drop of water. One drop feels weak, but many drops can cut stone. You are not weak. You are untrained. Training changes everything. This journey has 3 parts: foundation, discipline, identity. In this first part, we build the foundation. We do not rush. We do not jump. We dig deep first. A tall building needs a deep base. A strong life is the same. Many people try to change the outside first: money, body, status. They fail. They quit. They blame themselves. The truth is simple. They started in the wrong place. Real change starts inside, in your mind, in your habits, in your daily choices. This is where you start. Before you wake up earlier, before you work harder, before you chase goals, you must answer one question. Why do you want to change? Not a fake answer, not a pretty answer, a real answer. Sit alone. Be quiet. Ask yourself honestly. Why now? Why this year? Why this life? Maybe you are tired. Maybe you feel behind. Maybe you feel invisible. Maybe you feel stuck. That feeling matters. Do not run from it. Do not hide it. Pain can be fuel if you use it. Write your reason down. Use paper. Use a notebook. Write one clear sentence, then write another, then another. Do not judge your words. Just be honest. This is your anchor. This is your fire. Some days you will feel strong. Some days you will feel weak. On weak days, your why saves you. Put your why where you can see it, on the wall, on your phone, in your bag. Read it every morning. Read it every night. This is not motivation. This is direction. Direction beats motivation. Now look at your life, not your dreams, your real life. Look at your days, your habits, your time. Ask another hard question. What is stealing my life? Most people know the answer. They just avoid it. Too much scrolling, too much noise, too much distraction. Hours disappear, energy disappears, focus disappears. You do not need to delete everything. You do not need to become extreme. You need to reduce. Remove one thing, one app, one habit. That is enough to start. Your time is your life. Protect it. Next, we take control of the morning. The morning decides the day. The day decides the life. You do not need to wake up at 4 a.m. You are not a machine. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. That is all. 30 minutes is power. 30 minutes is silence. While the world sleeps, you prepare. Do not check your phone. Do not check messages. Sit. Breathe. Drink water. Stretch your body. Open a notebook. Write 3 lines. What do I feel today? What matters today? What is one small action today? This is not productivity. This is clarity. Clarity creates calm. Calm creates strength. Now add movement. Your body holds your mind. If the body is heavy, the mind is heavy. You do not need a gym. You do not need equipment. Walk, stretch, move. 15 minutes is enough. Do it every day. Movement clears stress. Movement clears fear. Your mind becomes lighter. Now we add journaling. Many people are confused, not because life is complex, but because thoughts stay trapped inside. Writing releases them. Write every day, 5 minutes. Write what you feel. Write what you fear. Write what you want. No rules, no grammar. This is your mirror. Over time, patterns appear. You start to understand yourself. Self-knowledge is power. Now we build simple routines, not strict schedules, simple rhythms. Morning routine, wake up earlier, water, movement, writing. Evening routine, slow down, reflect, prepare tomorrow. Turn off screens earlier. Let your mind rest. Sleep is not weakness, sleep is recovery. You are building a base now. This base is invisible, but it is strong. Many people quit here because results are quiet. Nothing big happens yet. No applause, no praise. This is normal. Seeds grow underground first. If you dig them up, they die. Trust the process. Your job this month is simple. Find your why, reduce noise, wake up earlier, move daily, write daily. That is enough. Do not add more. Do not rush. Better beats perfect. Miss a day, forgive yourself, return the next day. Consistency is kindness to your future self. At the end of this phase, something changes. You feel calmer, you feel clearer, you feel more in control. You are not a new person yet, but you are no longer lost. You are awake. And once you are awake, life can never be the same. Discipline turns dreams into reality. Dreams are easy. Discipline is rare. Most people wait for motivation. They wait to feel ready. They wait to feel confident. That day never comes. Discipline does not wait for feelings. Discipline acts first. Feelings follow later. This is where most lives change or stop. You already built the foundation. You know your why. You cleaned some noise. You created simple routines. Now it is time to train discipline. Discipline is not punishment. Discipline is self-respect. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, your confidence grows. Every time you break a promise, your confidence shrinks. This part of the journey is about becoming someone who does what they say, even when it is boring, even when it is hard, even when no one sees. Think of discipline like a muscle. If you never use it, it is weak. If you train it daily, it becomes strong. We start small, very small. Choose 3 habits only. 1 for the mind, 1 for the body, 1 for your future. Do not choose more. More habits mean less success. First habit, the mind. Read 10 pages every day. Not news, not social media. A real book. A book that teaches. A book that inspires. 10 pages is easy. That is why it works. Some days you will want more. Some days you will want less. Read anyway. Reading trains focus. Reading builds vocabulary. Reading shapes thinking. Over time, your thoughts become clearer. Second habit, the body. Move every day. Not for beauty, not for others. For energy, for clarity. Walk for 20 minutes or do a short workout at home. Push-ups, squats, stretching. It does not matter what you choose. What matters is that you move. Movement sends a signal to your brain. I care about myself. That signal changes behavior. Third habit, your future. Choose one small action that moves you toward your goal. Learning English, saving money, building a skill. 30 minutes is enough. This habit connects today with the life you want tomorrow. Now we track. Tracking is powerful. Use a calendar. Use a notebook. Each day you complete your 3 habits, mark the day. A check, a line, a dot. It does not matter. What matters is seeing progress. Your brain loves visible wins. Soon you will not want to break the chain. This is how discipline grows. Next lesson, learn to say no. Your time is limited. Your energy is limited. Every yes costs something. If an activity does not support your growth, say no. You do not need to explain. You do not need to feel guilty. Protecting your time is maturity. Turn off notifications. Silence the noise. Your future needs quiet to grow. Now, an important rule. Forget perfection. Perfection is fear in disguise. Aim for consistency. Bad days will come. Busy days will come. On those days, do the minimum. Read 2 pages. Walk 5 minutes. Study 10 minutes. Do something. 0 breaks the chain. Small keeps it alive. Consistency builds identity. You begin to see yourself differently. I am someone who shows up. I am someone who finishes. That belief changes behavior automatically. Train like an athlete. Athletes train when tired. They train when bored. They train when conditions are bad. That is why they win. Your life is your sport. Show up even when you do not feel like it, because your future self is watching. After 60 days, something powerful happens. Habits feel lighter. Decisions feel easier. You do not fight yourself as much. Discipline becomes normal. This is rare. Most people never reach this stage. You did. But we are not done. Now we aim the power. In the next part, you will learn focus, deep focus, how to choose one goal, how to cut distractions, how to move faster than ever before. Discipline gives strength. Focus gives direction. When strength meets direction, life changes fast. Focus creates results, and identity changes everything. You are strong now. You are disciplined now. But strength without direction is wasted. This part is about focus, action, identity. This is where results appear. Most people fail here, not because they are weak, but because they are distracted. They try to do everything. They chase many goals. They finish none. Focus is a decision. You choose one goal, only one, not 2, not 5. One goal that matters. Ask yourself a serious question. If I could change only one thing in my life in the next 6 months, what would make the biggest difference? Do not rush this answer. Sit with it. This goal should scare you a little and excite you a lot. Write it down clearly. Make it simple. Make it measurable. Now break it down. Big goals feel heavy. Small steps feel possible. Divide your goal into 4 weekly steps. Each step should be clear. Each step should be doable. This removes fear. Now comes daily focus. A goal is not something you think about. A goal is something you schedule. Every day do one action for your goal. Some days it is small. Some days it is hard. Do it anyway. Daily progress beats rare effort. Now we go deeper. You need deep work. Deep work means full focus. No phone, no noise. Set a timer, 90 minutes. Work on your goal only. Then rest for 30 minutes. Walk, breathe, drink water. This cycle trains your brain. This is where real results are born. At first, it feels uncomfortable. Your mind will resist. That is normal. Discomfort is growth in action. This month will test you. Results may feel slow. Do not quit. Success is delayed, not denied. Like a seed under the ground, nothing shows at first, but growth is happening. Trust the work you cannot see yet. Now comes the comfort zone. The comfort zone feels safe, but it keeps you small. Growth lives outside it. Each week, do one uncomfortable thing. Speak up. Try something new. Take responsibility. Small courage builds big confidence. Failure will happen. This is not a problem. Failure is information. When something fails, ask one question. What can I learn from this? Do not attack yourself. Talk to yourself like a coach, kind, honest, supportive. Your inner voice matters. It shapes your identity. Now we talk about action. Month 5 is action season. Stop preparing, start doing. Launch the project, apply for the job, share your work. Done is better than perfect. Perfection is fear pretending to be wisdom. Action creates clarity. Act first, learn second. Double your effort. Do more of what works. Ask one powerful question every morning. What is the most important action today? Then do it first. Protect your environment. Follow people who inspire action. Remove negativity. Energy is contagious. Choose wisely. Pressure will come. Pressure means you are growing. Do not run from it. Stand tall. Now the final month. Reflection. Stop. Look back. See how far you came. Celebrate progress. Confidence grows from evidence. You are not the same person. You wake up earlier. You move daily. You act with intention. This is identity change. You are now someone who shows up. Refine the system. Keep what works, adjust what does not. Set the next goal. Repeat the cycle. This is how lives are built. Not in one moment, but in daily choices. Quiet choices, consistent choices. You did not wait, you acted. You did not wish, you worked. This is success, and you are just getting started.
If this message hit you, then don't just watch and leave. Like this video, share it to someone who needs this wake up, and subscribe to this channel. Study yourself 1 hour a day. We are building a different breed here, a new generation of doers, people who don't wait for permission, people who build themselves daily, people who compound quietly and become untouchable over time. Hit subscribe, join the movement. 1 hour a day, every day. And in 1 year, your future self will not recognize you anymore. Let's grow. Let's execute. Let's dominate our own potential. Subscribe now and start becoming the person nobody can compete with.